You may have multiple goals ranging from your dream home, children's education, retirement corpus, and buying even a luxury car. To achieve these goals, you need an investment plan and an insurance policy that acts as a safety net in case of unfortunate event. It is always better to do in-depth research before choosing your investment product. In this video, we will be discussing the details of ICICI PRU Wealth plan and analyze the potential return of the plan. This review analysis helps you in decision making. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. ICICI PRU Wealth is a protection-oriented life insurance plan with a single premium payment option. The main features are invest only once and enjoy a life insurance cover for the entire policy term, 9 fund options, get wealth boosters as a percentage of your single premium at the end of the policy term. Death benefit is covered under Married Women Property Act. That is, the court cannot attach the benefits. Next, we shall look at the benefits of ICICI PRU Wealth. Death benefit, higher of sum assured including top-up sum assured, or fund value including top-up fund value, or 105% of single premium. Next, maturity benefit, fund value which includes wealth boosters and top-up fund value. Wealth boosters, 2.5% of single premium for a 5-year policy term and 2.75% of single premium for a 10-year policy term. Next, we shall look at the fund options and investment strategies in ICICI PRU Wealth. You can invest your money in any of the following 9 fund options in the proportion of your choice. You can switch your investment corpus amongst these funds using the switch option. The risk profile of each fund varies based on the underlying asset. You can choose one or more funds based on your risk profile. Investment strategy, automatic transfer strategy. It gives you the benefit of rupee cost averaging. The option to invest all or some portion of your investment in an income fund or money market fund and transfer a fixed corpus monthly to any one of the following funds. Either it could be value enhancer or balanced advantage or sustainable equity or maximizer or multi-cap growth fund. There would be no separate charges for automatic transfers. Next, various charges under ICICI PRU Wealth. There is no premium allocation charge and policy administration charge. The fund management charge is 1.35% for all funds except money market fund, 0.75% for money market fund. Mortality charge, based on sum at risk, mortality charge will be deducted by reducing the number of units. Discontinuance charge, it will be based on the policy year and the premium amount. There are no discontinuance charge from the 5th policy year. Inference from these charges, although there are no premium allocation and policy administration charges, there are other charges similar to any other ULIP you need to pay if you want to discontinue and exit the plan. Other market linked products are so transparent with their charges. These charges will pull down your overall investment value. This makes ICICI PRU Wealth an unattractive investment option. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of ICICI PRU Wealth plan. Advantages: option to receive the maturity benefit as a lump sum or as a structured payout using settlement option. Unlimited partial withdrawals are allowed for a policy term of 10 years. Unlimited free switches between funds are allowed. You can invest any surplus money as top-up premium. If your policy term is 5 years, you can choose to increase your policy term to 10 years. Disadvantages: the lock-in period is 5 years. The loan facility is not available. Next, we are moving into an important section. In this section, we will try to estimate the potential return of ICICI PRU Wealth plan. This returns calculation helps you to figure out the efficiency of the plan. This return can be compared to other investment products. Now let us take a quote from ICICI portal and estimate the potential return of ICICI PRU Wealth. A 30-year-old male opts for ICICI PRU Wealth for a sum assured of rupees 1 crore. His single premium amounts to rupees 10 lakhs. The policy term is 10 years. The assumed rate of return 8% per annum and 4% per annum shown in the benefit illustration are not guaranteed, and they are not upper or lower limits of what you might get back. The fund value after 10 years under the 4% scenario is 12.02 lakhs, and the IRR for the 4% scenario works out to be 1.86%. The fund value after 10 years under the 8% scenario is 17.65 lakhs, and the IRR for the 8% scenario works out to be 5.85%. One more important point to be noted here, if a ULIP has been issued on or after 1st February 2021 with a premium more than 2.5 lakhs in any given year during the tenure of the policy, then the maturity benefits under ULIPs are taxable. If we consider tax, then the returns would be even more lower than the above calculation. The IRR under these scenarios is not compensating adequately for the risk undertaken. The returns are lower than even a debt instrument return. This leads you to fall short of the required corpus when your goal is nearing. Now let us estimate the returns if we invest the same lump sum amount in an alternate investment option. This will help you choose an investment product based on your investment objective and financial goals. ICICI Proven Wealth offers life cover and opportunity to invest in the market. So we need to look for an insurance policy and also a market linked product for wealth accumulation. Out of rupees 10 lakhs, let us set aside the insurance premium for life cover. Let us look for a pure term policy for the same figures as in the above illustration. A pure term life insurance policy for a sum assured of rupees 1 crore would cost rupees 94,000 single premium. So the balance amount of rupees 9.06 lakhs can be invested as per your choice. Here we have chosen the ELSS fund. After 10 years, while redeeming the units from the ELSS fund, capital gains tax is payable. So we need to set aside the tax payable from the proceeds. Tax calculation is given here. The pre-tax maturity value under ELSS fund is 28.13 lakhs. The post-tax maturity value is 26.33 lakhs. The IRR for the pure term life insurance policy premium along with ELSS investment yields you 10.17%. This is a post-tax return. When you compare the returns with ICICI Proven Wealth, you get a better yield and also the liquidity is better because ELSS has a lock-in period of 3 years. In the long run, this alternate investment helps you amass wealth as the rate of return is higher than the inflation rate. ICICI Proven Wealth fails to provide you with the inflation adjusted return, which is essential to meet up with your financial goals. Here is our final verdict on ICICI Proven Wealth. All you need is invest your lump sum and allow it to grow is the most selling point feature of ICICI Proven Wealth. The plan offers you life cover and market linked investment opportunities as well. This persuades investors to buy this plan. This is a unit linked insurance policy where various charges are levied during the policy term. Over a period of time, these charges will eventually lower your returns. Even though being a market linked product, it yields you a lower return. If you need to amass wealth in the long run for your life goals, then you must invest in a diversified portfolio. Be prudent in choosing the right investment product based on your goal. This is essential because the time horizon is an important factor when choosing a market linked investment product. Life insurance plays a major role in designing your financial plan. Pure term life insurance policy is a must do action item in your financial planning. Because of its affordability and high coverage, pure term life insurance is the best choice. A comprehensive financial plan will help you achieve your financial goals. For comprehensive financial planning, you need to consult a certified financial planner. He will draft a tailor-made financial plan. A detailed review of ICICI Proven Wealth is available as a blog post in our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.